Okay, so this is Precious. Hi, sweetie. Hi. And this is Eva. Hi, baby. And we're going to go outside to see Marvin. Hi, sweetie. Hey, Marvy. 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 There's my boy. Yes, hi. And now we're just going to go out to the backyard. This is the view of the backyard. And that's the waterfall. I'll come back to that in a second. Down the hill. And this is, well, my mom is just filling this up with the hose again because it tends to leak. Ooh, I don't know if I got that. There's a frog. This is what we have in here. And this is the waterfall that my mom built herself and filled. And that is, oh, there's Marvin again. Hey, Precious. The sign that I bought some time ago because it looks just like Precious. So that is it for now. I might do another video of the front of the house and the gardens another time, but right now the grass is all wet and from the rain the other day, and I just don't want to go tromping down the hill and get my shoes all grassy and muddy, but I will see you later.